Hello and welcome. My name is Darren Burch and thank you for being here. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a rose. Now I've chosen red because tomorrow is Valentine's Day here in Turkey on the 14th of February. You can choose whatever colour you would like to do your rose, but I'm choosing red today. Now the first thing you would need is a good pair of scissors, a marker pen. Now I'm just using a black pen, but you can use chalk. Glue stick, a piece of wire. You can use a stick if you want to, like a shish kebab stick, but this is a wire that I bought from a hardware store and it's about 30 centimeters long, and a glue gun. You won't be needing the tape. I just got that resting on there. Now the felt, the green felt, is 4 centimeters long by 5 centimeters high, and it's cut into this shape. These are going to be the leaves of the rose. This is a cup that I've made. It's actually a square, 5 by 5 centimeters, and I rounded off the corners and put a slit through it and then folded it over and glued it and made this cup, almost like a Chinese hat. I'll show you how to do that. And we've got 2 strips. This is to go around the wire or your stem, and that is 1.5 centimeters by 30 centimeters long. These are the petals of your rose. There's how many are there? There's 4 of them there, and they all going to be cut like this. And this is 8 centimeters long by 6 centimeters high. And this is the next part of the petals of your rose, and that is 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters cut in that shape, and there's 6 pieces. I'm actually missing a piece, and you'll need one more strip of red. Let's get that over there. Now that piece of strip there is 2 centimeters by 30 centimeters, and that's to make the head of the rose. So let me show you how to make a rose, and thank you for being here. I actually forgot to tell you, when you do your head of the rose here, make sure to put some glue down here. This will strengthen the rose up. Right, and let it dry. So what you do now is you grab your 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. As you can see, I've cut all the tops like that. Well, the first thing I do is I grab one of the pieces and I'll glue the bottom edges. One there, here like that. Next thing you've got to do is you get your 50 by 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, and you cut the corners like this, do a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. next thing we've got to do is we're going to wrap the felt around the stem with this wire. next stage is we're going to put the larger petals around the bottom. Okay, so these are the ones that are larger, and they are 80 millimeters long, 60 millimeters high, or 8 centimeters by 6 centimeters, and I've just cut a squiggly line along the top. At the beginning of the video, I did mention glue stick, but I would advise you to get more than one glue stick, just in case you run out and you aren't able to complete making your roses. I've rounded the corners off here, and just having a straight edge to the corner looks a lot better, right? And I've added some glue around here to strengthen the bottom of the rose. Right, so let's get on to the next part. Okay, the next part is to wrap these guys, these leaves, around the rose. Right? So you can use 3 or 2. Doesn't really matter, right? So it's up to you. So what you do is you glue one side first, and glue the center. Just place it just underneath the rose. Now hold that side and bring it round. Just hold it there. The reason why I haven't glued the other side is because if I press down, it will ooze the glue out onto your hands, and it's very hot and you'll burn your hands. Now we'll need to glue the other side. So we'll just fold that around. I just realised I've got all this extra piece of felt lying around. So I'm going to turn them into leaves. Okay, so I'm going to cut that into a leaf. Here are the roses, and they look great. Wow, look at that! Everlasting roses! No need for water, no! Then they got me this spray, you see? Rose spray for putting on your body. So, I put it on the flowers, yeah. See? Now they smell like roses. Thank you very much for watching.